Yes. Good morning, children. So yesterday, what we have completed multiplication of fractions. I hope you did all the homework. Do this and exercise 3. Do these problems I have given, and then exercise 2 first bit also I have given you as homework. Hope you have completed. Now see, I'll explain examples. Here we have 2 examples, example 4 and 5, and then I'll go for exercise 2. So, first example 4. These are all you should write in your FN. Don't ask me whether you have to write or not. Whatever I say here, you have to write. And whatever the homework I'll give, that also you should write in your FNs. Okay? All the do this and do these and the notes and the examples. Whatever I say, totally you have to write in your FN. Don't ask me again and again whether we have to write or not. Okay? You have to write everything in your FN. Now, example 4. Nazia has 20 marbles. Reshma has 1 by 5 of the number of marbles that Nazia has. How many marbles does Reshma have? So here what is given? Nazia has 20 marbles. 20 marbles, you know already, marbles means those. What we say in Telugu? Golil. So what is given? You know very well. You play daily, and during this lockdown you are doing that only, I think. Okay. So what is given here? Nazia, or whatever one, some of your friend. Your friend have 20 marbles with her. How many marbles? Number of marbles with Nazia is 20. So she have 20 marbles with her. Then Reshma, her friend. Reshma has 1 by 5 of the number of marbles that Nazia has. See the statement clear. Listen carefully and see in your textbook at home. Okay? You have your textbooks now. So see, Reshma has 1 by 5 of the number of marbles with Nazia. That means whatever number of marbles Nazia have, from that 1 by 5 or with Reshma. So how will you write this one? See, number of marbles with Reshma is equal to 1 by 5 of number of marbles with Nazia. But number of marbles with Nazia is how much? 20. So how will you write this one? 1 by 5 of 20. 1 by 5 of 20. This half, whenever you got half, 1 by 5 of 20 means nothing but 1 by 5 into 20. 1 by 5 into 20. So here, 20 by 1 you can write. Now see, common factor, 5 1s are 5 4s are. So 4 by 1 means no need to write the denominator. Simply you can write it as 4. So how many marbles did Reshma have? 4 marbles. Okay, easy one, no? Next, example 5. See example 5. In a family of 4 persons, 15 chapatis were consumed in a day. So, in a family there are 4 members, like your family, most of the families. Sorry. Most of the families have, in small families, today's families, in small families we have 4 members only. So, okay, if you are 4 members, if you are not 4 members, just assume that you are, in your family 4 members are there. Okay, so your mother made how many chapatis? 15 chapatis. Total chapatis are how many, ma? So nowadays everyone are doing chapatis in the evening. For supper everyone are doing chapatis. Everyone taking chapatis as their supper. Okay, health conscious. So what happened here? She made 15 chapatis. Then what happened? 1 by 5 of the chapatis were consumed by the mother. Yeah, mother. Okay, yeah, mother ate 1 by 5 of total chapatis. Total chapatis are how many? 15. So how many she ate? 1 by 5. Then and 3 by 5 are consumed by the children. 3 by 5 are consumed by the children and the remaining were eaten by the father. Now they have given first question. How many chapatis were eaten by the mother? How many chapatis were eaten by the children? And what fraction the total chapatis has been eaten by the father? Okay, here we have to find number of chapatis eaten by mother and a number of chapatis eaten by children and fraction of chapatis eaten by father. Okay, so first we will find first one. Number of chapatis eaten by mother. What is given? 1 by 5 of total chapatis. How many? 15. Already I said 1 by 5. Half means into. Half means into. So 5 ones are 5, 3s are. So how many chapatis she ate? Your mother ate 3 chapatis. Then you and your sister or you and your brother or you and your cousin, whoever it is at your home, children. The children, how many they ate? Number of chapatis eaten by children was given as 3 by 5 of total chapatis. How many in that one? 15. That means 3 by 5 into 15. Half means 15. So 5 ones are 5 3s are. Oh, I have eaten 9 chapatis. Bapre. So you have eaten 9 chapatis. Your mother ate. You have eaten 9 chapatis and your mother ate 3 chapatis. Totally, how many finished? Totally have 15. 3 and 9. Your mother and you completed how many? 3 plus 9. 12 chapatis you have eaten. That means how many left for your father? For your father, only 3 chapatis left for your father. Okay. Now, chapatis eaten by father. How many chapatis eaten by father? See, total 15. From that, mother ate 3, children ate 9. Totally, how many you ate? 12. So, chapatis eaten by father is 15 minus 12, nothing but 3. Has eaten 3. But we have to write the fraction of chapatis. Chapatis eaten by father. How many he ate? 3. Fraction, how will you write? See, in pictorial, shaded in the numerator, total in the denominator. Here also, eaten in the numerator, total in the denominator. What are total chapatis? 15. But you have to write this in simplest form now. So 3 ones are 3 5s are. So how many he ate? What is the fraction of chapatis he ate? 1 by 5. He ate 1 by 5. This is 5th example. Next, see exercise 2. Exercise 2 remaining are homework for you. Just I'll explain what to do. First bit already I have given you homework. Now see second bit, shade. Here they have given boxes. If you have textbooks, you can see they have given 4 A, B, C, D questions. They have given for A 1 question, B 1 question, like that they have given. See in those boxes, first box is circles, second are triangles, third are rectangles, and fourth again circles they have given. We have to shade these. So how many you have to shade, that we have given here as clues. First one, see, I'll do first one, remaining you have to do. 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. Circles in box A. What is box A here? This is box A. They have given 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally how many circles are there? 12. From that 12 we have to shade 1 by 2 of the total circles. See how many circles we have? 12. 1 by 2 of, find 1 by 2 of 12. 1 by 2 of 12 means 1 by 2 into 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So how many you should shade? How many circles you have to shade? 6 circles you have to shade. So just shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But use different colors while writing in FN. Use different colors. For circles 1 color for this problem and second 1 color, like that. For 4 rounds 4 colors use. Using colors you shade. Okay. So remaining 3 are homework for you. So second bit. First bit already yesterday itself I have given you homework. So second bit. Then third bit is also easy one. 1 by 3 of 12. Nothing but into you have to do. That is also homework for you. Okay. So you have to complete exercise 2, second bit and third bit. Now I'll go with the next examples. Sixth example. Example 6. Example 6. Narendra reads 1 by 4 of a short novel in 1 hour. What part of the book will he have read in 2.5 hours? So Narendra reads 1 by 4 of a short novel in 1 hour. So in 1 hour he'll read, if he have a book. Novel means nothing but a story like a book. So he have a book, and if he starts reading a book in 1 hour, he'll complete 1 by 4th of this book. He'll complete 1 by 4th of this book in 1 hour. Then what part of the book will he have read in 2.5 hours? Okay, if this book is with him, so he has given a book, and how much he'll read in 2.5 hours. In 1 hour he is completing 1 by 4. Then in 2.5 hours, how much he'll complete? That they are asking. Okay. Simple question only. See, I'll write using quantities, proportion. Okay. In the 6th class itself, we have learned about proportion. See, novel read by Narendra in 1 hour is given as 1 by 4. Is 1 by 4. Now, in 2.5 hours, how much he will read, that we have to find out. So I'll write like this. In 1 hour, 1 by 4. 2.5 hour means 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 hours x. 5 by 2 hours. See, convert that into improper fraction. When you convert that into improper fraction, see, 5 by 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 hours. In 1 hour it is 1 by 4, and in 5 by 2 hours how much? Unitary method. You know already unitary method. In 6th class you have learned 1 apple cost is 5 rupees. Then what is the cost of 5 apples? What you did? 5 into 5. Same like that here. So how much? X is equal to, this x is nothing but 2.5 hours. How much he did? Nothing but 1 by 4 into 5 by 2. That is 5 by 8. How much he will read? He'll complete 5. See, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 into 5, 5. 4 2s are 8. So 5 by 8. How much he'll complete in 2.5 hours? 5 by 8 part he will complete in 2.5 hours. Okay. Next we have example 7. So example 7. What is given in example 7? A swimming pool is filled 3 by 10 part in half an hour. How much will it be filled in 1.5 hour? In half an hour it is filled 3 by 10. In 1.5 hour, how much it will be filled? See, given, I'll write directly, simply, I'll write in half an hour, it is filled 3 by 10, 3 by 10 part. In half an hour, it is filled 3 by 10th part. Then, how much will it be filled in 1.5 hour? 1.5 hour, how much? So let it be x. So x is equal to, in 6th class we did direct proportion. When you have direct proportion, what you have to, you should cross multiply and then divide. See, these two are cross multiplication, and with the remaining we should divide. So 3 by 10 into 1.5 by 1 by 2. Now 3 by 10 into 1.5 means 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. And when you take this denominator 1 by 2, this is by means nothing but division. When you convert this division to multiplication, what you have to do? You have to write the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? Nothing but 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Now see, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Get cancelled. Now what is left? 3 into 3, 9, 10 into 1. So therefore, how much? So 9 by 10 part will be filled in 1.5 hours. That's it. Okay, that is example 7. Next we have exercise 3. Exercise 3, first bit is homework for you. Find each of the following products. First bit is homework, and then second bit multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. That is also homework for you. Same, just multiplication only. Same like yesterday how I have done those example problems, same like that you have to do. Exercise 3 first bit and second bit. Next third bit and the next class I will explain. Let me complete this fourth and fifth which are easy. So fourth one, Rehana works Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. Embroidery, you know, stitching, works. Okay, so what is she doing? She is working on a saree. Just assume that she is working on a saree and she is doing some design embroidery she is doing. So for that daily she sits for 2.5 hours. Daily she works on that saree for 2.5 hours. She completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? Daily, for 1 day, she sits for 2.5 hours. How many days she worked? For 7 days. So, totally for 7 days, how many hours she worked? See, number of hours worked in a day is 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means nothing but 5 by 2 hours. Now, number of hours worked in 7 days. 1 day, 5 by 2. 7 days, nothing but 7 into 5 by 2. 7 into 5 by 2, unitary method. So here, just multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 7 5s are 35 by 2. But this is an improper fraction. So convert that into mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2, 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 by 2 hours. 17, 1 by 2 hours. Okay, that is fourth problem. These are all very easy, no? You can do it within a minute. Like this you can. I know. You are very smart. You do. Now, fifth one. A truck runs 8 kilometers using. Do we have more? Yes. I will complete up to here itself. Okay. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? Now see here. Using 1 liter of petrol, 8 kilometers. This is also same unitary method. See. distance covered using 1 liter petrol is 8 kilometers. Using 1 liter petrol, the truck covers 8 kilometers. Then, by using 10 2 by 3 liter, distance covered using 10 2 by 3 liters petrol is equal to, for 1 liter 8 kilometers, 10 2 by 3 liters means 10 2 by 3 into 8. 10 2 by 3 into 8. So first write this in improper fraction. 3 tens are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 into 8 by 1. Multiply it. See, there doesn't have any common factors. That's why we are multiplying. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 1, 256 by 3. Now write this in improper fraction. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 15. 85. 1 by 3 kilometers. That's it. So this is today's session, and tomorrow we can complete this exercise 3 and then we'll go for division of fractions. Okay. Yes. Have a good day. But don't have much fun. Do first homework and then go for playing.